Welcome to our celebration of heroes. As you dine, we will drop in on your favorite heroes, both around the world and across the galaxy. You're hard at work.
Well, what's all this about?
Hello, Rocket. We're in the middle of a celebration dinner here on our ship.
You call that a ship? And what are you celebrating?
We are celebrating the heroes who keep us all safe.
Well,
He prefers to be called Scarlet.
I prefer to call him something I can't say in front of Groot. I can't believe that's who you picked out of all of us. I saved the galaxy 3 times, and I don't see no pictures of me. No one cares that I'm your hero. They don't even know me. Come on, Groot. Gotta get the ship upgrades ready before Star-Lord cries about it again.
Groot, that's very kind, but how can you help us celebrate? Be right back. Well, I'm not sure what he means, but let's go on to the next item on our... What have you got there?
Like this, man. Oh my God, disaster! Oh my God, this is Let's go, Groot! 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 Let's go, Groot!
Quantum destroyer. If that thing isn't plugged in the right way, it could obliterate the entire galaxy. What? Groot! Do you know what that thing is? Yeah, only because I just told you. You're aiming it at a ship full of tyrants! Don't push that button. That is a very dangerous button. Don't do it. I mean it! Okay, that's more like that. You did all this for me. Now everyone knows I'm a hero. Hey, what are you terrorists looking at, huh? I just got something in my eye. I gotta go find some drops. You all go ahead. Celebrate already.